All right, you guys, let's get multiplying with the number pieces app. And we're gonna do some, it goes like this, hip, hip, array. We're gonna make some arrays with the number line app, or not number line, the number pieces. And this is what the number pieces look like. So I'm gonna pick up the pen and I'm gonna write a multiplication problem that I'm gonna do, all right? So let's say I do 4 times 7, let's say, and I'm gonna show that in an array, all right? So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna say, okay, well, what does this mean? This means 4 groups of 7. So what am I gonna pick out? Am I gonna take out a 10? Well, I need 4 groups of 7. I don't need 4 groups of 10. So what I could do, since 10 is close to 7, instead of pulling over 7 cubes, I could go, all right, I'm gonna take this guy. I'm gonna go down here, look at this cool feature down here. See this one where they're all in pieces? Watch what happens when I click it. Break the pieces up. See that? Break them. Now when I click on it, you might be like, what? Okay, now I can take this piece and move it away. I don't want it. So now I have 9. I'm gonna move another way. Now I have 8. Now move another way. And now I should have 7. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, so far, I just have 1 group of 7. But I need 4 groups of 7. So what do? Do I do that again? Well, you don't need to, because watch this cool feature. I can take it, make an oval around it, and then when I let go, and if that doesn't work for you, just do it again, because at some point it will. They all get highlighted. And why does that help? Because if I take this mouse and I go down here, look at this, down here, down, 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 and I go to these 2 squares kind of overlapping each other, when I go hover over it, it says duplicate. So when I press that, boom, look at it duplicated what I just did. It copied it, it made it twice. But what I need to do is I need to take it and drag it and move it over so it lines up with the other one. And then I would say, well, I need it again. So I'm not gonna click anywhere else. I'm gonna keep it highlighted because now that's only 2 groups. I need to get to 4. So I'm gonna duplicate it again and I'm gonna move it over. And then I'm gonna duplicate it again and move it over. And now I have just made an array. So I'm gonna pick up my marker. This is called an array in mathematics, an array. And it's a rectangle. And what are its dimensions? Well, this side has a length of 4. Notice that? That's one of the factors, 4. And what's my other dimension? It's a 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 4 by 7 array. And if I count all these squares, that'll tell me my total number here. That'll tell me my product. Isn't that cool? Now I could count them 1 by 1 by 1. Or look at this cool feature. I'm going to show you something else because you might want to play around with it. If I take this and I again circle, I'm only going to circle 2 groups of them. Whoops, but I don't want that guy. So I'm going to try that again. I'm going to reattempt my circle, my like rectangle-ish oval. Here I go. I only want those 2 groups of 7. Nope, it doesn't like me doing that one. So I do it again. I don't start crying, I just try it again. Doesn't like it. I do it one more time and hope for the best. Yes! Okay, sometimes it works. Now I have 2 groups highlighted. Why did I do that? Because I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna make that a different color. Because you guys, to me, that's how I counted it. I know that 2 groups of 7 right here, 2 groups of 7 is 14. And then I know another 2 groups of 7 is 14. So then I just add those 14s together and that'll give me my total number over here. So 4 and 4 is 8. And then I have 10 and 10 is 20. And 20 plus 8 is 28. Awesomeness, huh? So now if I want to share my work, I go down just like the others and I go to this share button, click on that. I can save my image right away, click save, and look it already saves my image for me. So I click on that, it's opening up my picture and it already saved it, right? And then I could see like where it saved it to on my Chromebook. Or I could pick copy image. Copy this image, take my 2 fingers on my mouse pad, go boop, and then up will pop these words. And I could save my image right here onto my Chromebook. So I could go to my desktop of my Chromebook or my drive, save it in my drive, and call it 4x7 array or something. Okay? And now I have it, and I can share it with my teacher, Google Classroom or something, or I share it on a Google Slide, whatever. I can share it with someone. I have it on my Chromebook. Okay? All right, have fun playing with multiplication and arrays. Awesome. Number Pieces app, use it.